Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. Today I have a Pandora haul that I want to share with all of you. Pandora sent me a coupon, a discount coupon for my birthday in March, and so I did pick up a few things from the spring collection and I'm really excited to share them with all of you. Now this one has some charms that I bought, and I bought two of them, and they're both dangles, and these are so beautiful. So let me take these out of the box, off the ribbon, and we'll look at each one because the details on these, you guys, they're just amazing. So let me take them out of the box. This first one here is called the Hummingbird Double Dangle Charm, and this one is so cute. So the first dangle on here is the hummingbird itself, and look at the wings on this. You can see that it has that translucent enamel on them. So you have the purple, the teal, and the slightly greenish blue at the very bottom, and again on the other wing as well. And I love how much these sparkle and let the light through, and it just looks beautiful. The hummingbird itself is covered in glitter enamel, and it is a mix of purple and green, and it's so glittery, so sparkly. Really love that. And the eyes have, I'm not sure if it's enamel or like a black CZ. It looks like enamel to me. So the eyes have this black enamel, and then the beak is just silver. And then the other part of this charm is this dangle. So it's just a circular disc, and on it it says life is sweet, and then the back of the disc just has Pandora engraved on it. And then the bail on this is just this oval bail. It's silver, it's plain, and it's a very pretty dangle. It's pretty tiny, but I love the details that they have added to it. The enamel is just beautiful. And during the spring summer, I don't know if it's one or if it's, a few different ones, but I do see a hummingbird in my garden and just drinking nectar from the flowers, and it's just beautiful. I love these little birds. So this one I knew I wanted to get as soon as I saw that, this was releasing. So the Hummingbird Double Dangle Charm. And then the other one I picked up is another dangle. And this is the Dragonfly Double Dangle Charm. So again, you see that enamel on here. So this one has this glittery blue enamel on the body and the edges of the wings. The wings themselves again have that translucent enamel, kind of light bluish green. And then for the eyes, you have these two clear CZs. And the enamel on the body and the wings is kind of, goes from light blue to a darker blue at the bottom. And then the back again has just the enamel on it. And then again, this one has a disc, and on here it says Free Spirit. The back just has Pandora on it, just like the hummingbird. And this one again has the oval bail on here. It's plain silver, but this one is a little textured. You can see that the sides are raised and the center is kind of almost lined, so it has that effect on it. And here inside the bail you can see the hallmark. It says S925. And so these are the two dangles that I picked up, and I've seen a lot of people say that they're small, and yes they are, but I did want to compare it to a few other dangles that Pandora has done in the past that I have, and I'm sure a lot of other people have too. So if you don't have these charms yet and you want to get an idea of the size, you can. So let me just quickly grab those and I'll show them to you. So these two on the sides are the club charms. This clover one is from 2025, so this year, and this one is last year's club charm. And you can see that the enamel on all of these is blue, so different shades of blue, and I do think they look really nice together. So the butterfly dangle charm, it's slightly smaller than the other ones that they've done, so you can see the size comparison. It's pretty similar in size to the dragonfly, or not the dragonfly, the hummingbird, I feel. But it's just, the hummingbird hangs lower because the bail is oval and this one is round, so it's a little higher. But then you have the clover charm, and it's pretty similar in size. And then I also wanted to show you with this one, which I love, this dangle. This one came out, I want to say 2020 maybe, or maybe 2019. I don't remember. But this is the Firefly pendant charm, I think it was called. But it's a glow-in-the-dark firefly charm that became really, really popular. And so I love this one. And you can see that although this one is tiny, it just seems a little longer. I say this is more of a similar size to this Dragonfly as opposed to the Hummingbird. So there's that one. And then they also did another Dragonfly and Pandora Rose a few years ago, and that is this one. And let me put it next to this Dragonfly. And I love all these little critter charms pendants. They're just so much fun to design with. I love wearing them on my O pendant or just as a centerpiece on my bracelets with a couple of other charms on there. So they're all kind of getting together. So let me see. So here you are, you can see the different sizes. So you can see the dragonflies are pretty similar in size. And so yeah, they're all not very big charms, but I do think they're the perfect size for bracelets and such. And so yeah, these are the two new charms I got and a few other dangles that I just wanted to compare with them. And I do think these club charms, because of that blue enamel, really look beautiful with the new charms. And so yeah, the new charms, some older ones, and just a size comparison for all of you. So those are the charms I got. Now let's look at that big box, and you can tell by the box that it's probably a bracelet, and it is. So this one is a new bracelet that released for spring, and I absolutely loved it and I couldn't wait to get it, so I went ahead and got it with the birthday discount, and it is this one. So this one, I believe it's called the round Pandora clasp twisted snake chain bracelet, and it has these thin snake chains. So there's 3 of them that are part of this bracelet, and they're twisted together, and they're twisted tight. I mean, they're not loose. You can see that they stay twisted, they do not open. I have worn this a few times. I actually wore this bracelet out of the store, and so I've been wearing this, and I love this one. It has these beautiful snake chains. This one is non-threaded because I'm guessing it will be hard to put threading in the middle here for clip stations, but on the sides as well, it is not threaded. So if you do wish to wear it without any charms, I know some people do not like threading on the edges because it doesn't look pretty to them. Honestly, I don't mind it. I actually like threading, but this one doesn't have it. It does have a round clasp, and it just has the Pandora logo on it on both sides of the clasp. So here you can see it says Pandora, and it looks a little different to me. I don't know why, but you can see it has Pandora on this side and on the other side as well. And then the rest is the same as just a regular bracelet with the clasp. And so yeah, this is the bracelet, and I'm very excited about this one. As I said, it's very comfortable, and I would love for them to do more clasp designs, like decorative clasps maybe, because the chain just looks so beautiful on your wrist without any charms on it. Just looks very pretty. So yeah, that is what I got. I got the twisted snake chain bracelet, and then the 2 charms, the dragonfly pendant and the or not the pendant, the dragonfly double dangle charm and the hummingbird double dangle charm and the bracelet. So that's what I used my birthday discount on, and I'm very excited. There are a few more things on my wish list as always, but slowly but surely I'll get them. Let me know if you have any of these new dangle charms or this bracelet and what your thoughts are about these. I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.